Hey YouTube. So I'm here to do a quick check-in video. This is gonna be my 5-week update on my hair. The AliExpress Queen Hair Products Virgin Straight. I have in a sew-in, and I have the lengths 12, 14, 16, and 18 inch. So yeah, not much more to say from the last time I did my update. I mean, I'm still really loving this hair, like, for real. So this is 5 weeks. I finally washed the hair today. Like, after 3 weeks, I finally washed the hair. And, I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. And I also changed my part. I may put a middle part in my hair now, my part here, and all I did was move the tracks that were from the side and put them on either side of like a partition in the middle. It was really simple. So yeah, that's all I did. So yeah, I moved it into a middle part. I just wanted to change it up a bit, you know, so that it just wasn't the same hairstyle. So yes, loving the hair, no problems. I mean, this hair is great. I'm having no issues with the hair. Tangling, no. Shedding, very minimal shedding. Very minimal shedding. At night, what I do is usually do the headband method. And I know I said I'd come and show you guys how to do the headband method. I haven't gotten around to it, but I will do it very soon. So yeah, I want to do my hair straight. When I want my hair straight, I use the headband method to put curls in the hair. When I want my hair to be straight, I usually just put my hair in a ponytail and then put my satin bonnet over it. So it stays like that. And then in the morning, it's still straight. You know, it's still straight. You could also wrap your hair. I just personally don't know how to wrap my hair, so I don't do that. But you could also do that too. I mean, that would work. But yeah, the ponytail definitely works for me. Or sometimes I won't even put my hair in a ponytail. I'll just like put it back like so, and put my silk bonnet over and put this up, or something like that. Like whatever. Anyways, yeah, I mean, this hair is just gorgeous. I love it. Seriously, guys, like, I love it. I mean, look at this. Hair smells nice. The shampoo and conditioner I use to wash my hair is actually it's a brand by Rexall. It's called Be Better. So if you go to any Rexall Pharma Plus, you'll find it in there. It's the argan oil shampoo and argan oil conditioner. And it has no products. There's no chemicals in the shampoo and conditioner. It's like sulfate free and stuff like that, so it's really good for the hair. It doesn't dry it out or anything. It moisturizes the hair really nicely. And then when I finished I did let the conditioner sit on my hair for about half an hour, and then I rinsed it out, and then kind of towel dried it. And then while the hair was still kind of damp, I did put my Moroccan argan oil in there and let it soak, and then let my hair air dry for the rest of the day. And then it dried, and so it looked after it dried. Like, I didn't even have to straighten it. It's like it came out straight right after, because this texture is straight hair. So wow, this feels so soft. My ends are nice and healthy. So yeah, you could also use the herbal essences Hello Hydration. I know that works really well with virgin hair. And also the organics are argan oil, Brazilian keratin, no, Brazilian argan, that organics one, like, you know, the organics argan oil shampoo and coconut milk conditioner, something in the organics, but I know that works really well too. So yes, yeah, really liking this hair. Everything is going great so far. I'm completely loving it. I mean, I want this hair to last me till Christmas. Okay, it is October the 7th today, and I want to keep this hair until like my birthday, which is in April. This hair needs to last me a long time. Okay, I spent money for this hair. It needs to last. Okay. So yeah, I do have plans to hopefully dye the hair one day. Maybe do an ombre or a blonde. I'm really feeling to do blonde, but I don't know how that's gonna look on me first. So I might just do an ombre with blonde and then hopefully move up and then just have like dirty roots and do the rest blonde. We'll see how it goes. But I definitely want to do something new for Christmas and New Year's. Just something to, you know, bring in the new year and things like that. So hopefully that goes well for me. I'm still deciding if I should do blonde or like burgundy. I'm not sure yet. I don't want to do blonde. It doesn't look good. And I used to do red in my hair when I was younger, like with my single braids and stuff, and it looked really nice. But I also think blonde would look nice on me too. So I have some decisions to make on what I'm gonna do with my hair. But I am starting to blabber on and talk about foolishness, so I'm gonna cut this video right now. So yes, like I said, the hair is doing great. I am loving it. Go and check them out. Like I said, this is the AliExpress Clean Hair Products Virgin Brazilian Hair. Thank you guys for watching.